Hi guys, welcome back to another video. For this video, I've been practicing some magic. With the help of my lovely assistant here, I'm going to transform this car. Are you ready? I'm going to get Alana to click. So I'm 3, 2, 1. Right. 3, 2, 1. Come on, one last go. 3, 2, 1.
It's not working.
It's not working.
You try.
Maybe I should give it a go. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Introducing my new car, the Skoda Yeti 4x4.
So as Alana just said, this is her new Skoda Yeti 2015 170 brake horsepower engine, candy white. We've literally just picked this up from the dealership, shall we call it, haven't we? Literally an hour ago.
Yep.
What are we going to be doing with it?
Well, shall I start by saying a little bit about why we chose to get the Yeti? Because we've toyed with the idea of having a second 4x4 for, well, probably 6 months after getting the Freelander, when we realised how universal it is, just how great it is day to day.
And the default thing was obviously Freelander 1?
Yeah, the default thing. I've literally so many times I've gone, do you know what, Freelander 1? Do the same sort of thing as what we've done with the Freelander 2, but with the Freelander 1. But I didn't really like the idea of daily driving a Freelander 1, because ultimately this is going to be my daily driver. It's going to get me to and from work, to and from the shops, to and from just everything you do in day-to-day life.
The other option was a Suzuki Jimny, but there's a bit of an issue with that, isn't there?
Yeah, we looked at a Jimny, the newer shape ones. Yeah, apparently they're not great if somebody's just over 6 foot tall. Not a problem for me personally, you know, it'd be perfect size for me, exactly. But Scott might be a tiny bit over 5'3" on a good day.
Indeed.
Not that I'm 5'3", obviously, 5'6". Yeah?
Yeah,
you believe me?
Let's go with that, shall we?
But yeah, over time we are going to be looking to do a similar thing to this, to what we've done with the Freelander with regards to underbody protection. Maybe looking at a lift, definitely different, like all-terrain tyres and things like that. So yeah, it's exciting what's going to be to come for this little beast.
I was going to say, we don't know off the bat what we're actually going to be doing with it. No. We've got rough ideas and stuff like that.
We've got lots and lots of things mentally planned, but obviously it's going to take time. It's going to be, you know, a bit of a slow process at the end of the day, but we will get there. One
of the things I want to say is don't worry about the Freelander 2 content. That will still be coming to the channel.
The Freelander is going nowhere.
It's going nowhere. It will still be doing the same sort of adventures and stuff like that. We'll do...
By the way, Scott's doing that because the Freelander 2 is actually over there.
Yeah,
he's not
just over there.
Doing some sort of magic dance.
Obviously, we'll hope to get this off-road, maybe on some green lanes.
100%.
We're hoping Muddy Weekender.
Muddy Weekender next year.
Fingers crossed.
We are going to be taking it to Vinegar, all being well.
Fingers
Once
crossed.
We've got tyres, a little bit of underbody protection sorted. It'll be very, very interesting to see how capable this little thing is.
Yeah.
Little thing, definitely being the optimum word there as well.
Exactly. And I want to throw it out there that if you're a company or you know of a company that would be interested in helping in our endeavours, easy for me to say.
That's a big word for you on a Saturday afternoon.
Very much so. If you know any fabrication people, or you are a fabricator working metal, that sort of thing, obviously there is bits and pieces. We know that Darkside Development have done a similar thing on this, on the pre-facelift. Grit Outdoors, I've seen on their YouTube channel, they also have a pre-facelift. I think theirs has done like 350,000 miles, which is insane.
I've got a little bit rogue in getting a slightly newer one to do this kind of thing with, but hey ho.
How many miles has it got on the clock?
60, it's literally just tipped over to 62,000 miles when I was driving it back to this point.
So a 2 litre diesel, I think you can pretty much still say that's box fresh.
It's not even running yet.
No, so we're going to be running this in, treating it really well, doing servicing, that sort of thing. I want to give a big shout out to the Yeti Owners Club, I think it is, the forum over there, because the guys and girls over there have been fantastic in answering so many of my questions.
Facebook page has also been very, very helpful as well when we were looking as to what we actually needed to look for in buying a Yeti, because like what anybody that's watched us with the Freelander content would know, it's a minefield, and the Yetis are no different. So we will definitely be looking to almost throw some videos out there with anything that we do with the car, just to advise other people what you need to look out for and how to service basic things. And you could just take the mickey out of us when we try to service it and make it look really difficult for the first time.
Like we do on the Freelander.
Not that that will happen, right?
No. But guys, even if you don't know of people that can help us out or anything like that, the one thing you can do is like the videos, put
All
comments
the fun
down
things
below,
down here.
that sort of thing. It really helps the videos gain traction and spread them across YouTube and spread them to other people. So hopefully you'll be along for the ride as well, because yeah, it's an exciting journey. Like I say, it might not feature too heavily to start with because we've just got to get to grips with everything, understand it, that sort of thing. It's loads of content coming for the Freelander. Other than that, I'd say that's everything for now, wouldn't you?
Yeah, all I will say is at this point, drop any ideas down below in the comments as to what you might want to see us do with this car. Anything wacky, you know, we're open to suggestions. I'm a bit of a muppet, as you guys all know, you know, it's like I'm open to doing anything slightly odd or obscene or just different with the car at the end of the day. So yeah, drop any suggestions down below and who knows, maybe we'll decide to do them.
And one other thing, just to put it out there, just do it in advance, feel free to drop any names for the car.
Oh yeah.
Stick some names.
He doesn't have a name. I think it's a she, I've got to admit. I do think it's a girl car. But yeah.
Drop them in below, potentially we'll run a poll.
Yeah, as far as we're concerned, it's just called Yeti.
At the moment, yes.
Isn't the nicest of names for a car, is it? But then again, Freelander's just called Freelander, so who knows, maybe it will just be Yeti forevermore. Pardon you, Scott.
Pardon me. If it helps, the name that I've come up with so far, and it's a terrible name potentially, I'm not sure, is Hetty. Hetty the Yeti. So yeah, if you guys like that,
sounds like a dog's name to me.
Comment that down below.
Oh, but very apt, a dog bark.
That's the best we've come up to so far.
Yeah.
So yeah, names, ideas, what we can do with the car.
Absolutely,
trips,
anything and everything.
If you're a tour guide or anything like that, want to take us on a tour in the Yeti 4x4 Yeti.
Too obscene.
Yeah,
I don't think. Don't quote me on this, please, but I don't think we're going to be doing anything like what's the proper name for it? Horseshoe Pass or whatever.
Yeah, Horseshoe Lane or Horseshoe Pass,
Strata
we call it.
or anything. I'm not quite sure the Yeti's going to be doing that kind of thing. It is very much going to be a soft roader, but I say that now, give it 6 months, who knows what we're going to be doing.
I just want to turn around and say though, that if we do have rock sliders, lift kit, underbody protection.
The world is our oyster.
Yeah, do you know what? Alana is game. I'm saying Alana, it is her car. So, but yeah, this has got a plastic fuel tank, so yeah, lots of fragile bits
Same thing with the Freelander. We're going to get everything, you know, protected. Protected before we do anything too extreme. But yeah, hopefully we'll get to do a few little gentle green lanes in the meantime.
Yes. Are you going to be splatting the camera on this one? Are you going to run up to the camera
I'll do a
afterwards?
little run and a splat when we're finished.
So I think that wraps everything up.
Just a little dance.
But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video.
Yes.
Like, comment and subscribe.
All the fun things down there.
Down below, clicky, all that jazz.
And feel free to call us absolute muppets and idiots and whatnot if you think we are absolutely mad buying a Skoda.
We are.
You know, who knows?
We are a little bit.
You only live once, don't you?
Exactly. YOLO.
YOLO.
And on that note,
yeah.
Should we say goodbye?
We'll say goodbye, Scott.
Goodbye, Alana. Should we just walk out of frame at this point?
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. You're not out of frame. Okay, bye.
Am I out of frame now?
Who's going to splat the camera?
Should I splat the camera?
You need to splat the camera.
I'll splat the camera.
I'm probably not even out of frame.
We'll see you in the next video, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Splat.